Welcome back to the YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to be giving you guys an upsell strategy that can make you an extra $500 to $1,000 every single week. And it's such a simple upsell strategy that you won't believe that's possible, but I'll be showing you exactly how to do this upsell strategy in today's video. And in today's video it won't take long for me to show you. It probably take me around 5 to 10 minutes to show you this powerful upsell strategy that can make you an extra $500 to $1,000 a week. Now, before I move on into the content, with the giveaways that I normally announce with the 15-minute consultation calls, I'll be announcing the winners of the consultation calls every Monday. Now, the reason why I'm doing this is because I'm uploading pretty much every day now, or every other day, so to announce the winners every day wouldn't be realistic. So from now on, if you want to enter the giveaway rules will be in the description below, and I'll be announcing the giveaway every Monday on my YouTube video that launches on every Monday. So guys, let's get straight into the content and let me show you how you can make this upsell work for your business. So we're at my laptop now, so I can show you guys this upsell trick. Now, this upsell trick is what we call a warranty upsell. Now, you're probably very familiar with warranties because you probably already offer a warranty on your website, which is either a 14-day money-back guarantee or a 30-day money-back guarantee. And if you're not already offering those warranties, I recommend you do. They are the industry standards. But in today's video, the upsell we're going to be doing is what we call a warranty extension. Now, what is a warranty extension? It's where you offer a customer either a year warranty extension, a 2-year warranty extension, a 3-year warranty extension, or a lifetime warranty extension. Now, why I mentioned those ones were because they're the most common ones that are offered in the e-commerce world and in the business world. Now, as you can see on the screen here, this is an example of how it would work, and I will be showing you another example at the end, a real life example of how it works in the end. Now, why you should be using this method, number one, is because the biggest retail stores or big e-commerce brands use this method all the time. Now, have you ever bought something from a store before and somebody said at the end, look, do you want to have warranty on this for an extra 2 years? It's going to cost you this or this. If that's ever happened to you, put it in the comment section below and let me know how you got offered, and let me know in the comment section below how somebody upsold you on warranty. It'd be good to know what your stories are with warranty upsells and how it happened to you, but we're going to be doing it from now on. Now, consumers don't bother using it on cheap items, so if they bought something for $20 and they bought extra warranty for $5, they're probably never going to use it, because after 2 years of the product going funny, they're probably thinking it only cost me $20. I don't want to have to go through the warranty claim form. It's probably going to be an inconvenience, so they'll just forget about it. So it's basically free money. Makes your average order value skyrocket. Like, I'll be talking about this on the next slide by giving you guys real life numbers, but trust me, this can make so much money. Now, no profit loss if customers use it. So basically, if somebody was to redeem their warranty claim, you're pretty much not going to lose any profit that you made on the other warranty claims, and I'll be explaining that again on the next slide. Basically, a free way to make more money on current sales, so it just increases it so much on the average order value. It's ridiculous, and it's so easy to use. So let me give you some real life examples of how this warranty would work. So let's say, for example, you charge $7.99 for the warranty. Now, this is an example that I'm giving you from what one of my students are using on their website. They're currently charging $7.99 for the warranty. Now, again, the price that you'll be giving your warranty for is all dependent on how much the product costs you to get. Now, if you're doing high ticket items, obviously the warranty is going to cost a lot more. Now, how to find out what you should price your warranty at is basically by looking at your competitors in the e-commerce niches. So if you're doing, for example, a warranty on a laptop, have a look at look at some of your competitors in that industry and look at how much they're charging for warranty, and that should be something you can cross-reference to use in your business. Now, the laptop example was just a shitty example, but you know what I mean. Just have a look at your competitors and see what they're offering in warranty. Now, for every 10 orders you receive, normally one person will want a redemption on their warranty. So out of every 10 orders you get, one customer will have an issue and they'll ask for a warranty claim or a warranty redemption. Now, let's do the math. So let's say out of 10 people, so let's say it costs you, like I said, you're charging people $7.99 for the warranty. Now, 10 people will buy that from you. That equals $79.09. The product costs you $19.99. So the product cost us to get from our supplier $19.99. So let's do the net profit math. So let's do $79.09, because that's how much we've made from warranty from selling 10 products that we discussed over here. And as you can see here, now we're minusing $19.99. Now the reason why we're getting rid of $19.99 is because, like I said, out of every 10 orders, one person will want a warranty redemption. So if one person wants a warranty redemption, we send them a replacement model that costs us, again, another $19.99. So that's the math. And then that will give us a net profit of $59.91. So that's really good. So out of every 10 orders, we're making an extra $59.91. And again, the net profit numbers will vary depending on how much you're charging and how much it costs you to replace their units. Now, again, this won't work very well for you if your product quality is crap. If your product quality is ridiculously poor, this will not work very well for you. You probably will end up losing money. So make sure that your product quality is good and you know from reviews, or if you've sampled the product, that it's going to last a long period of time. So let's say you sell 100 warranty units a week, which is more than possible. People sell 100 units a day, but let's say a week you sell 100 warranties plus obviously the product they bought. You'll make an extra $600 a week. Now imagine if you did that every week for a month. That would be 600 times 4, which is 2,100, I think. Maybe I'm wrong. 612, 18. Yeah, so that would be 612, 18, 24. So yeah, you'd earn $2,400 every month. Sorry, yeah, extra every month. My math is ridiculously bad, guys. I failed math, so that's why my maths equation then was a little bit poor. But like I said, you'll be making a month an extra $2,400. A week, you'll be making $600 if you were to sell 100 warranties. And like I said, that's all based off my numbers. You could be making an extra $1,000 a week. You could be making an extra $2,000 a week. Again, it all varies on the numbers that you've got. Now, how did I come up with this equation? We did $7.99 times 100 because we said we get 100 warranty sales a week. The warranty we charge at is $7.99, so that would equal $799. Then we would minus $199 because out of 100 people, 10 people will normally redeem the warranty, which leaves us with $600 net profit. So that's how I came up with that equation, guys. So as you can see, this is such a powerful method you guys can use, and I've just given you the real life numbers, and these numbers are real. They work for me, they work for other retail stores, they work for my students. So guys, you can use this method, and what I'm going to do for you now is I'm going to actually give you a real life example on a store of how we're using this for warranty claims. So guys, as you can see, I'm on a website, I'm on one of my students' websites, and I'm going to show you exactly how he's using this and how he's using it to make more average order value profits. So as you can see here, he's got his product, and what he's selling is a phone case. Now again, because it's a phone case, we're offering a 3-year warranty, because with technology, of course, there's less of a lifespan on them. And in the technology niche, the average life something should last for is around 3 to 5 years. So we're offering a 3-year warranty because we know our product can last 3 years, 9 times out of 10. So this is the product page. It should be just the same as anybody else's. And then when a customer goes to add to the cart, they'll get a pop-up saying, do you want to add an extra 3-year warranty? It will cost you, it's coming up in pounds because he's got a currency converter, but he's charging, $8 for it. So basically the customer will see this and see, okay, for an extra $8 I can get a 3-year warranty. Now again, depending on how many people will add this, all depends on your store and how well you perceive this offer. But let's say, for example, they add it, that's that job done. They've got an extra 3-year warranty. We've made an extra $8 on that order, which will probably never have to give the customer a warranty ever. So we've made an extra $8 for nothing, which is amazing. So that's how he's used it. And like I said, this is the way I recommend you use it on an add to cart upsell. Now I will be giving you the app that I use and what my students use on how to do this at the end of the video. But let me show you something else before I show you that. So that's how he's implemented it into his store, as you can see. Now, when we scroll down to the footer, you can see here where it says extended warranty. Now, he's put this in the footer because what this is it's the terms and conditions of how the warranty works. I need to make sure that, but when you add the warranty, you add a warranty terms and conditions so the customer knows how this works. So it just tells them it's a 3-year warranty extension. Like I said, the reason why we offered a 3-year warranty is because with technology like phone cases and stuff like that, laptops and TVs, the industry standard is 3 to 5 years of the expected life cycle. So we know 9 times out of 10 that our product's going to outlive the 3 years, which means we'll never have to give our customers that warranty. So we're making an extra $8 for nothing. We talk about what it covers, so it doesn't cover accidental damage. I don't recommend that you cover accidental damage either, because you will get a lot of redemptions, which means you'll make less money. We talk about how you redeem the offer, what you need to do, how you can redeem it, how you need to give us proof that the product isn't working, it's faulty, so you can redeem it. You need to also make sure that when we offer a warranty redemption, that we send them a product replacement instead of giving them a full. So instead of giving them their money back, we're giving them a product replacement unit, because that's cheaper for us to do, which means we will make more money, and if they have to redeem it, we won't lose as much money. Now, the app that I use for this, guys, is what we call product upsell here. So you can see here it says product upsell. It's from a company called Bold, and like you can see here, that's where it is. Now, I will leave a link in the description below so you guys can get this app for 14 days for free. So you can download this app for 14 days for completely free, and then after that it's $9 a month, or it's $9 or $10 a month. And yes, the link in the description below will be an affiliate link, and I would appreciate it if you guys, if you're going to use the upsell. And like I said, this is the best product upsell app for cross-selling and upselling that I've ever come across. Now, like I said, it is an affiliate link. I would appreciate it if you use my affiliate link. It will help out with the YouTube channel, and for all the value that I'm giving you guys, I would appreciate it if you use it. Now, that's it for today's video, and I hope that's helped you guys with upselling, and I hope this upsell method works for you. And if you've got any questions, leave them in the comment section below.